Welcome to today's edition of Crypto Corner at InvestorIdeas.com. News on what's driving the cryptocurrency market. Hello everyone, this is Sam Mowers here. Welcome to episode 886 of the Crypto Corner podcast. Crypto Corner was recently named one of 14 of the best crypto and blockchain podcasts by the site Your Oyster, that's Y-O-R-E, Oyster. You can check out this list along with a write-up about Crypto Corner over at youroyster.com/blog/best-crypto-podcasts. Now for news today, TerraZero is being listed on the TSXV. Neptune Digital has reported 53 petahash per second online, and CoinSquare is acquiring CoinSmart. But just before we jump into the show today, a quick reminder that if you enjoy this podcast, please feel free to share it or leave us a review. And as always, I recommend checking out some of the other podcasts on InvestorIdeas.com. This includes the Cannabis Podcast, the Clean Tech and Climate Change Podcast, along with many others, all of which will bring you up to speed on the latest stock news and trends in their respective spaces. Alright, so BIGG Digital Assets Inc., which trades on the CSE under the ticker BIGG, has announced that its portfolio company, TerraZero Technologies Inc., has signed a letter of intent with Whatcom Capital II Corp., which would result in TerraZero becoming publicly traded on the TSXV via a reverse takeover transaction. Dan Reitzek, the founder and CEO of TerraZero, said, quote, TerraZero is a well-capitalized, revenue-producing company with three main business divisions. Our studio division creates immersive metaverse activations for global brands and companies. Our technology division creates solutions to bridge the real world with the virtual world, and our data analytics division aggregates data from across the metaverse to help guide the company's and our clients' decision-making. I see the metaverse as simply the next version of the internet as we know it today, but instead of a 2D environment, it is a 3D environment providing greater engagement between brands and consumers and between people themselves. There will soon be significant consolidation and opportunities in the metaverse and Web3 space, and TerraZero will be positioned to capitalize on these as needed. End quote. Neptune Digital Assets Corp., which trades on the TSXV under the ticker NDA, has reported an additional 53 petahash per second of mining machines online. According to the press release, these Antminer S19 Pro Bitcoin mining machines have been tested, installed, and are now producing Bitcoin, and are hosted in a state-of-the-art facility in the USA owned and operated by Aspen Creek Digital Corporation, or ACDC if you prefer. Cale Moody, Neptune's CEO, said, quote, the mining business has been challenging over the last 12 months. However, it does still remain profitable, and we will continue to carefully grow these operations while focused on cost savings and profit margins. We look forward to a fruitful partnership with Aspen, where we can grow our renewable-focused mining operations. We are fortunate to have the financial means to take advantage of the current bear market and acquire assets at a discount using cash raised at the peak of the bull cycle. End quote. Lastly, for today, CoinSmart Financial Inc., which trades on the OTC under the ticker symbol CONMF, has entered into a definitive agreement to be acquired by Canadian crypto asset trading platform CoinSquare Limited. According to the press release, this transaction will establish CoinSquare as one of Canada's largest crypto asset trading platforms. CoinSmart's CEO, Justin Hartzman, said, quote, with a diversified product suite, exceptional crypto talent, and one of the largest user bases in Canada, the combined company will be well positioned to pursue its aggressive expansion plans. While the crypto market is in the building phase of its life cycle, this transaction will provide the torque needed to be in a favorable position entering the next bull run. End quote. That does it for today's Crypto Corner. If you would like to be a guest or sponsor for this podcast, contact InvestorIdeas.com. Investor Ideas reminds all listeners to read our disclaimers and disclosures on the InvestorIdeas.com website. And this podcast is not an endorsement to buy products, services, or securities. Investors are reminded all investment involves risk and possible loss of investment. To hear more InvestorIdeas.com podcasts, please visit InvestorIdeas.com/audio. And a reminder, you can also hear our podcasts on Apple Podcasts, Audible, Spotify, TuneIn, Stitcher, Spreaker.com, iHeartRadio, Google Podcasts, and most audio platforms available.